Good morning, guys. This is Mr. Sheedenhelm here. I'm going to talk to you guys about how to make sure your vehicle is in spec. So here is a vehicle I made. It is currently in spec. Okay, I made sure I saved it as a working, let's see, I saved it for a working copy to enter competition. That's all good. Don't worry about that. But while you're building your dragster, in the engineering tab, you can always come over to outputs, and sometimes this takes a while because it does have to load. And then you click on design specifications. Give it a second. If anything shows up red, that means your vehicle is out of spec. Okay, so I'm just gonna go back to engineering. I'm gonna make sure the vehicle is out of spec just so you guys can see. Give it a second. And I'm just going to move this in. This is where the CO2 cartridge is supposed to go. And I'm going to click done. And then we're going to go back to outputs. Click on design specifications. And wall thickness, where the power goes. So the power is the CO2. I can tell that what I have designed, there's 0 millimeters in between the wall and the CO2 cartridge, when there needs to be at least 4. Okay, so what I can do, I can go back to engineering. I'm going to mess around with the top profile again. I'm going to move this back, try and get as close as possible. I still think I'm out of spec right there. I'm going to click done. Go to outputs, design specifications. Give it a second while it loads in. Let's see if I am good to go. Yep, so my wall thickness right here is 4.81 millimeters. I can even get a little smaller if I would like to. Okay. But yeah, this is how you'll find out what's wrong with your vehicle and why it is out of spec. Okay. Design specifications under outputs. Got it? So while you're creating your vehicle in the engineering tab, and if you want to see if it's in spec or not, you'll come over to the outputs, design specifications. Got it? All right.